So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm giving you guys an update on my EIDL SBA loan. Well, it's the Economic Injury Disaster Loan by the Small Business Administration. But yeah, so I'm basically giving you guys an update on that, as well as the grant and the loan aspect of that loan, if that makes sense. So I am an Uber driver, Lyft driver, small business owner, whatever you want to call me. Yeah, YouTuber, TikToker. Yeah, so I basically quit the whole 9-to-5 job. Well, I never really started, I guess. When I was in college, I was working at a job, and I decided to quit to pursue social media and YouTube and Uber driving, Lyft driving. Just so you guys know, if you guys don't know my story, I wouldn't call myself an Uber driver or a Lyft driver at all, actually. I'm a social media person, but I do drive for Uber and Lyft and other apps for content purposes. So I talk about those apps, but I in no way, want to clarify, I in no way rely on Uber and Lyft for income. I don't at all. I don't need the income. I actually don't even drive for Uber and Lyft for the money. I literally do it just so I can talk about the apps. Just so you guys know, I don't want to, you know, pretend that I'm an Uber driver and I'm out in the, you know, out in the weeds working 40 hours a week, 80 hours a week driving people around. No way, Jose. I don't want to live my life like that. I'm sorry, I just don't. There are easier, smarter ways to make money, more fun ways to make money. I don't want to do that. Have I done that for money in the past? Yes, I have. I've been there. Not 80 hours a week, but well, actually, there's been a time in my life where I worked 2 jobs and I drove for Lyft for like 40 hours a week. So all those combined were probably like literally working 80 hours. So yes, I have been there, but I'm not there right now. Thankfully, I was able to. Lyft worked out for me. Uber worked out for me. I was able to pay off my credit cards, pay off my car, and now I have no payments in life except for rent and food and Apple Music. All right, so let's talk about the I just wanted to clarify, just so you guys know, you know, my SBA situation. So I applied for the SBA loan as a small business owner. Basically, it's just a loan, disaster relief loan, pretty much, to cover you as a business owner during the coronavirus pandemic. So I applied, right? It came out, it was going to be a $10,000 grant, free money. I said, screw it, I'm going to apply. I got $1,000 though. That's what I got. But I did get an email today, an update. Here we go. Important reminder about your SBA Economic Disaster Loan application. Our records indicate that you have not taken the next steps to complete your SBA Economic Injury Disaster Loan. These steps are necessary to continue to process your application. Failure to complete these steps will result in your application being withdrawn. So I'm not completing it, therefore my application is withdrawn and is essentially denied. So maybe I can even just go in here and show you guys my portal, what it looks like. I didn't save my I don't remember my whole login, but you can try really quick to log in. See if I remember. What do you know? It actually worked. Here we go. $44,000 loan. Review and accept the amount. You are eligible. I am eligible. Please review the loan amount. So I'm actually eligible for 44 grand, which is crazy. I could get that money in my account like next week. Electronic disbursement already completed. I need to verify my identity. I don't really need to, but here we go. Review and accept the amount. Selecting a loan amount does not mean that your loan has been approved. Further review of the application will be considered. So if you guys are watching this, the way to apply for this is just go to this website, COVID Relief. Just go to COVID Relief SBA loan. I'm pretty sure you can actually still apply. Just go click here and then apply. It's honestly super easy. I got a $1,000 grant that, so the way that this works, so you have the $44,000 loan or whatever, you know, it might be. They might offer you 20 grand, 30 grand, whatever. That's a loan. That's a normal loan. You have to pay that back. But what you can, though it's structured really weird, you can request an advance of that loan, and it's up to $1,000 per employee. So I have my own business set up. I have an LLC. I'm the only employee of that business, though. I'm the owner and employee, sole owner, whatever. I don't know how they call it, but whatever. It's mostly for taxes. I have it set up that way. And with that being said, I have so I requested a $1,000 advance of the loan. That advance I don't need to pay back. The $44,000 loan, I'm not requesting that. I'm eligible for it, but I don't need it. That's my update. So I got it, and I'm basically refusing the $44,000 loan. Yeah, that's my big update. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will talk to y'all soon. Let me know if you have any questions, and use the link down below for GetUpside to get up to 25 cents back per gallon every single time you fill up gas. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye, guys.